Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Humble Moi. Today we're diving into a crucial skill for any kitchen enthusiast: how to sharpen and maintain all types of knives. First, let's talk about why sharpening your knives is essential. A dull knife is not only frustrating to use but also dangerous. Did you know that a dull knife is more likely to slip and cause injuries? According to a study, 86% of kitchen accidents involve dull knives. To sharpen your knife, you'll need a sharpening stone. Start by soaking the stone in water for about 10 minutes. Hold the knife at a 20-degree angle and slide it across the stone, applying even pressure. Repeat this process on both sides. Next, use a honing rod to realign the blade. Hold the rod vertically and slide the knife down at a 15-degree angle. This step is crucial for maintaining the sharpness between sharpening sessions. Finally, always clean and dry your knives immediately after use to prevent rust and corrosion. Store them in a knife block or on a magnetic strip to keep the blades in top condition. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can keep your knives sharp and safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time on Creative Humble Moi. Bye.